In this video, I am going to show you how to add a pop-up on Squarespace. To begin, head over to your Squarespace site. Once you're there, click on the Pages option located on the left-hand side of your screen. This will open up all the pages on your site. Scroll down through the list until you find the option labeled Website Tools. Once you see this, go ahead and click on it. Under the Messaging section, you'll see the option for Promotional Pop-up. Click on it. From here, you can begin designing and adding your pop-up. First, enable the toggle switch labeled Display Pop-up. Then, click Save at the top left corner of your screen. At this point, Squarespace will ask you to connect a storage option. Click OK. On the following page, switch to the Storage section and select Squarespace Image Campaigns to connect to the default storage. Click Save again in the top left-hand corner and return to the Promotional Pop-up settings. Now you can modify the layout of your pop-up. Click on Change Layout and a number of layout options will appear. Choose any one of them, then click Save at the top left and go back to the promotional settings. As you scroll down, you'll see several sections including Action, Content, Display and Timing, and Style. Each section allows for different customizations. For example, if you click on Content, you can edit the headline and body text of your pop-up. Going back to the promotional pop-up settings, if you click on Display and Timing, you'll be able to decide where the pop-up should appear. Use the drop-down under any first page and select only certain pages. Then, choose the specific page on your website where you want the pop-up to be shown. Click Save again in the top left-hand corner and return to the promotional settings. Finally, make sure the Display Pop-up toggle switch is enabled, then click Save once more. If you're using the paid version of Squarespace, the pop-up will go live immediately. However, if you're on the free version, it will only become live after you upgrade to a paid plan. And that's how you can add a pop-up in Squarespace.